Hey there, hope you're doing well. Today's video, I want to show you how to remove your door panel on a 2001 to 2006 Lexus LS430. It's pretty simple. I'm doing it because I need to replace the passenger side front door speaker. So I'm going to show you the steps. Let's get started. First thing you're going to do, remove your negative battery terminal. I always do this anytime I'm working on any electrical components or anything in the car. So I'm going to take that off, just a 10mm bolt, loosen it up and move it over to the side. For removing this door panel, there are several screws, first one of which is up here, and you have to access it by removing this little plastic cover. So one of the best ways to do that is with these little plastic tools. Pop it out like that, real simple. It's just held in by some clips. Now I've got access to the screw. So that's the first one. Next one, you got one underneath this. Here we go. I bet this works. There we go. You just got to get this down in here, under here, and really pry up, and then it comes out. Now, what you're going to have to do is take these clips off. Let's see. Push that down. There you go. So you can use your fingernail sometimes and push down and try to pull at the same time. There we go. That worked. Not easy because I really don't have like long fingernails, but that works. All right, put that down. There we go. So here's the third one. Hopefully you can see it. And another Phillips head. Get that out. There should be three more. So here's one right here. Quick enough. All right. Second one here. There we go. There's a third one. Oh, dropped it down into the moss there. That's great. So there's one more screw that I forgot. It's this one right here. So use two hands to kind of get that out. All right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws, and then it should just pop out. So it's held in place here by friction with some little, you just pop it out from the bottom, and then you can lift up from the top because it's like seated in at the top. Maybe just do this. There we go. Like that. Again, this is one you just push down and pull out. And then these, you pull this up, unlatch from that. Pull this up, and then unlatch from there. Just remember the white one's at the top, green one's at the bottom. Another clip you just have to push down on the lock and pop this thing out. Actually, do it like that. I forgot these are aftermarket. That's why they're in a different position. Take that out like that. Good to go. All right. So I'm gonna take this whole door panel, stick it in the back. So now I gotta get this speaker out. It looks pretty good. Some 10mm bolts here. Let's go. Last one. Damn, it's in there pretty tight. Okay, there we go. So I can unplug this here. Now I just got to get it loose of this wire. I'm not sure the easiest way to do that is. Here we go. So just push down on this side here at the same time. I can't really show it, but I push down to compress this to push it through. So may have a struggle with this like I did. I don't like this little fastener. It's garbage. But anyway, got the speaker out, so now it's time to replace it with the new one, or actually not a new one, but a used one that hopefully works. I think my old one looks better than this one, so hopefully this thing works. If it doesn't, it's gonna suck. So this looks like the right position here. Pop that bad boy back in. There you are. Here you go. Now fasten you on in here. Start and fasten this. Alright. Start at the top here and tighten it. And this one here. It's tight. Tight. I don't think you want to torque this down too crazy, so I'm just gonna go by hand here. Just hand tighten it. Man, the one I took out looked better than the one I put in, so I hope this thing works. So what I might do, might actually go ahead and connect everything back up, connect the battery, and test this thing before I button the door back up, because it would suck to pull this one out and have one in worse shape. Alright, so looks bad, but sounds pretty good, so I'm happy, and I'm going to button the rest of the door up. Hopefully this doesn't get me banned from YouTube.